We don't see that in our solar system. None of the asteroids in our solar system look like that. So it's very puzzling how it could have obtained this shape. This object is simply a piece of another solar system that was expelled, and it has been traveling through interstellar space for hundreds of millions of years, billions of years, we don't know.
In a cosmic event that has never happened before, something from the far reaches of interstellar space came to our solar home for the first time. NASA, the cutting-edge leader of space research, has made some recent discoveries that have shocked the scientific community and caught the attention of people all over the world. NASA's astrophysicists and astronomers have found an extraterrestrial giant, so huge that it pushes the limits of what we can understand. This colossal is so big that it dares to test the limits of our minds. This celestial giant casts Earth into obscurity not only in terms of physical dimensions, but also in cosmic import. Yet this cosmic mystery has a mysterious beginning that draws us to figure out the secrets of its extraterrestrial birthright, a theory that is strongly supported by some experts in the field. Welcome to Spaceverse, your cosmic gateway to a universe of wonders. Go on a journey beyond the stars as we unveil the mysteries of distant galaxies, probe the secrets of alien worlds, and celebrate the boundless frontiers of space exploration. Subscribe and prepare for a voyage that will ignite your curiosity and inspire your sense of wonder as we reach for the stars and unravel the infinite tapestry of the universe. Humanity has accomplished the astounding achievement of installing observational instruments in the vacuum of space despite the difficulties of long-term living in microgravity. The International Space Station is a great example of human achievement. The ISS represents a massive undertaking in terms of construction because it is the largest human-built structure ever placed in space. The bulk of its development occurred between 1998 and 2011, while current work includes the addition of new parts to facilitate future missions and experiments. To everyone's surprise, it has been continually occupied since November of 2000. The sophisticated cameras housed in this orbital outpost help the outpost perform many of its essential activities. The exceptional quality and versatility of these cameras guarantees that at least some of the photos they've taken will blow your mind. These cosmic observers provide us with real-time views of the celestial bodies above, and every once in a while they catch something so strange that it baffles even the most seasoned scientists. Such an occurrence transpired when NASA's James Webb Space Telescope, or JWST, detected an unfamiliar interstellar gas and a colossal planet dwarfing Earth's dimensions by a remarkable factor of 30. These revelations sparked contemplation and left scientists worldwide grappling with confusion. NASA's James Webb Space Telescope has masterfully reshaped our cosmic perspectives. Recently, this groundbreaking telescope revealed the first unaltered image of a mysterious celestial object hiding in the depths of space. This monumental unveiling has sparked passionate debates and given birth to a myriad of hypotheses concerning the identity of this interstellar nomad. Imagine an enigmatic extraterrestrial enigma emerging from the profound abyss of space. A prodigious voyager whose appearance eludes conventional comprehension, akin to a slender cosmic needle or a celestial cigar. It bears no semblance to any celestial beings known to us, fueling our inquisitiveness and instigating an intrepid quest to unearth its veiled origins. The epic voyage kicked off on the evening of October 19, 2017. As the mighty Pan-STARRS 1 telescope perched regally amidst Hawaii's lofty peaks turned its unblinking eye to the heavens above. Little did the stargazers realize that this pivotal juncture would etch itself into the annals of cosmic understanding. With a flourish of cosmic grandeur, Pan-STARRS 1 unveiled Oumuamua, an entity that defied all earthly comparison. Contemplate the profound gravity of this disclosure. It marked the virgin sighting of an interstellar wanderer, hailing from the distant shores of foreign star systems. But what truly baffles the mind is the gall of this intergalactic tourist who defied all chances by plotting a direct course through the incomprehensible reaches of space and eventually arrived at its destination, Earth. The sudden appearance of Oumuamua sent shock waves through the scientific world and permanently etched its name into the history of discovery. The significance of this cosmic visitor was immense, as he or she held the key to understanding our local galaxy. This made the search to finally photograph Oumuamua an all-consuming one, a defining moment in our never-ending cosmic voyage of discovery. Don't worry, fellow space enthusiasts, our journey won't end with a static picture. The incredible James Webb Space Telescope has been released as part of the never-ending quest for knowledge by scientists. This technological marvel stands ready to unravel the enigma of interstellar travelers as they gracefully traverse our solar expanse. The Webb telescope's unique strength is its ability to gather and analyze infrared light, a gold mine in our search for the cosmos. The Webb telescope, outfitted as it is with state-of-the-art, high-resolution, and high-sensitivity sensors, opens up a vast new vista. Its unparalleled sensitivity allows astronomers to study objects that were previously out of reach because of their age distance or faintness. This astounding strength opens up a whole new universe to us, tempting us to dive headfirst into the mysteries of interplanetary explorers. With the Webb telescope, we will finally be able to see the true nature of these mysterious cosmic nomads and determine their true chemical compositions. We need a really detailed up-close inspection to understand their unfathomable secrets, which is impossible to do from Earth alone. This extraordinary tool, like a cosmic keystone, unlocks a previously unseen clarity. It sheds light on nuanced aspects of these fascinating extraterrestrial guests. The Webb telescope will serve as our trusted companion when more and more distant celestial bodies enter our field of view, allowing us to capture images that go far beyond what a camera can capture. It expertly combines hundreds or even thousands of photos into one gigantic picture that captures every conceivable detail. With the telescope's help, we explore the deepest, darkest corners of these heavenly bodies, revealing details that have been hidden for eons. There is more to the James Webb Space Telescope than meets the eye. It's a passageway to groundbreaking new knowledge. The amazing capabilities of this technological marvel led astronomers to observe distant galaxies with a clarity and brightness that was previously impossible. Opening up these fascinating scientific possibilities is like discovering a new cosmos. With the power of the Webb telescope at our disposal, we set out on a quest to expand the bounds of our cosmic understanding and learn things that have been dormant for centuries. This is why the James Webb Telescope was selected for this crucial study. It broadens our scope for discovery and propels us further into the unknown. The James Webb Telescope, in tandem with the Pan-STARRS 1 telescope that made the initial discovery of Oumuamua, helps researchers solve cosmic puzzles. Pan-STARRS 1 made the groundbreaking discovery of Oumuamua during a careful vigil, ushering in a new era in our exploration of the cosmos. The most surprising discoveries often occur when we look the other way. This remarkable telescope found this mysterious traveler completely by accident. Asteroids are commonplace in space, so at first the researchers thought they had discovered one. But when they dug deeper into the data, an intriguing reality emerged. Oumuamua was not what one would anticipate from a typical asteroid, what with its rock-like appearance and unpredictable behavior. Unlike most people, this space explorer had an extraordinary tale to tell. As more information was collected and examined, it became clear that this unknown interstellar object was unlike anything scientists had ever seen before. Scientists were taken aback by its erratic course changes, and many intriguing questions have arisen as a result. As this extraordinary traveler sped through our solar system, the situation quickly deteriorated. The value of every second increased. The scientists watched the clock tick away as they confronted an imminent and difficult dilemma. They had to make the most of their 11-day window to collect as much data as they could. This strange intergalactic traveler was moving very quickly and soon would be too far away for observation. Every passing second underscored the seriousness of the situation. The time available for gathering data shrank progressively. The stress on the research group rose as the need for quick and accurate analysis became more critical. They were keenly aware that even a moment's delay might prevent them from fully grasping this unusual occurrence. Urgent measures were required to ensure that no crucial information was lost. And yet NASA has proven time and again that it is a master navigator able to maximize its use while uncovering the wonders of the cosmos. They enlisted the help of the Very Large Telescope at the European Southern Observatory ESO in Chile to better understand the mysterious qualities of Oumuamua. It was time for this powerful astronomical instrument to take center stage, and it was ready to begin a journey of careful measurements and in-depth explorations. In doing so, NASA hoped to learn more about Oumuamua's size, orbit, color, and brightness. Suddenly, it was crucial to pay attention to the smallest of details engraved into its surface and built into its structure. There was no mistaking that this was no ordinary rock. It was an anomaly that had scientists all around the world intrigued. There was a chance for the astounding truth hidden within this cosmic conundrum to be revealed, and NASA and the ESO's Very Large Telescope worked together to make it happen. Researchers were in a race against the clock to collect as much data as possible. Information was now a treasure to be carefully sorted, cataloged, and studied in the days to come. Getting this information before Oumuamua left our solar system was their last chance. In a concerted effort to learn more about this mysterious celestial body, scientists and researchers from all around the world have pooled their resources in order to acquire as much information as possible about it. As they dug deeper, though, they discovered a twist. The investigation led the team further into obscurity rather than clarity. Oumuamua's mysterious nature has been reinforced by each new piece of data, leading to more questions than answers. Why? What was the point? Where did it first appear? As scientists looked further into the strange behavior of this extrasolar visitor, the path to solving this cosmic mystery became more challenging. A difficult conundrum that defied all logic and common sense was before them. We typically picture something round or roughly spherical when we think of a space rock, like an asteroid or a comet. Most celestial bodies in the vastness of space take on such shapes because of the pull of gravity, therefore this assumption is not completely without merit. Whether the Sun or some other enormous cosmic entity is the source, all of the atoms contained inside it are attracted to a single gravitational point. However, Oumuamua disrupted this typical behavior. Its slim, lengthy shape went against our expectations. Imagine a huge needle-shaped celestial body gliding through the heavens. It's a radical departure from the typical spherical forms we've seen in the cosmos. Everything we thought we knew about interstellar objects was called into question by this anomaly. A new surge of excitement among academics was sparked by Oumuamua's unusual shape and its refusal to conform to a more spherical form, prompting them to look for answers to this cosmic conundrum. We still have a hard time wrapping our heads around how stars and galaxies work because of Oumuamua's peculiar properties. The spherical and compact nature of atoms is maintained by the pull of gravity. Objects' natural tendency to round out is bolstered by the hazardous conditions typified by debris, gases, and pressure. Our anticipation had been founded in large part on these commonalities. On the other hand, Oumuamua had its own agenda, and the astronomical community was taken aback by its peculiar shape or lack thereof. Its unusually lengthy shape stood in sharp contrast to the round or erratic forms most commonly associated with celestial objects in the universe. With a diameter of almost 200 meters and a length 10 times longer than its width, Oumuamua was also astonishing in terms of its size. Such dimensions were unprecedented even by the standards of our solar system, which has a circumference of 28.874 billion kilometers. Reddish coloring was the next mysterious feature revealed by Oumuamua. It is believed that the dust in the solar system's outer reaches is responsible for the characteristic red color of distant objects. This is where, however, Oumuamua decided to go against the grain once more. Amazingly, this spacefarer showed no signs of having been touched by dust, in contrast to its peers. But upon closer inspection, it was found to be made entirely of rock and metal, with no traces of ice, water, or any other ingredients often associated with the astronomical objects. Because of its one-of-a-kind makeup, Oumuamua stands out among the myriad other astronomical objects in our galaxy. It raises questions about the processes by which heavenly bodies develop, evolve, and travel between stars. The mystery of this enormous cosmic cigar is only deepened by the fact that it sped through the solar system at a rate of 85,000 miles per hour, exceeding all expectations of the possible maximum speed of an object in space. In fact, its velocity changed dramatically during the course of its journey, giving even another mysterious facet to this intergalactic mystery. So what exactly led to those baffling shifts? As a first guess, we can look to the Sun's enormous gravitational attraction. The massive gravity of the Sun tugged at Oumuamua like a cosmic tango, changing its trajectory and driving it onward as it traversed our solar system like a celestial magnet. To add to the intrigue surrounding this phenomenon, it now appears that Oumuamua is being actively propelled or guided by a power that is distinct from the Sun and invisible to the naked eye. In the wake of Oumuamua's unusual behavior, the origin of the object became the top scientific mystery. Scientists started their arduous hunt by analyzing the speed and course of this cosmic mystery as well as any other hints they could find. Perseverance paid off, as they were able to track Oumuamua's origins all the way back to the neighborhood of Vega, the brightest star in the northern constellation Lyra. The journey was akin to trailing a trail of cosmic breadcrumbs back to their star. Things start to become complicated now. Despite traveling at an average of 59,000 miles per hour, Oumuamua had not been in close proximity to Vega for a mind-boggling 300,000 years. Try to picture the interplanetary journey this person took to get here before they even set foot on Earth. No stone was left unturned in the search for answers, as confirmation of Vega's presence in the area during Oumuamua's passage was sought. As researchers persisted in their quest to determine where Oumuamua came from, a fresh far-fetched theory arose. The interesting possibility that Oumuamua is not a lone celestial entity, but rather a fragment that broke away from a larger celestial body was introduced in a groundbreaking study. This intriguing notion proposes that Oumuamua was born as the result of a catastrophic event, a disastrous collision with its home star. Due to the release of tremendous gravitational forces, the celestial body was torn apart, and its pieces were sent hurtling into space. In the same issue of Nature Astronomy, another equally impressive discovery reveals a complete explanation for the birth of objects like Oumuamua. This investigation delves into the role that tidal forces similar to those felt by Earth's oceans had in molding these one-of-a-kind space travelers. Scientists use precise computer simulations to recreate the cosmic interactions in which celestial bodies are subjected to enormous gravitational pulls and stretching. It is now clear from these models how tidal pressures can shape extraterrestrial bodies into unusual shapes, such as Oumuamua's cigar shape. There has been a flourishing of different viewpoints among those dedicated to the study of Oumuamua and its riddles. Some agree with a proposed theoretical framework that resonates with their findings and Oumuamua's distinctive qualities. These discoveries deepen our understanding of the cosmos and its alien inhabitants. However, not every scholar agrees with this assessment. Scientists are motivated to learn more about the complexities of this cosmic mystery as competing hypotheses and interpretations challenge established theories and stir heated arguments. In particular, the research of Harvard astronomer Avi Loeb, who has actively challenged mainstream views, has sparked heated debates in the field of Oumuamua investigation. Loeb presents a new angle, suggesting that Oumuamua is not a nitrogen iceberg, but rather a fragment of a planetesimal. From this vantage point, similarities between it and solar system comets become increasingly apparent, expanding our knowledge of interstellar objects. More theories have surfaced as scientists attempt to explain where Oumuamua came from, but this one isn't the last word by any means. While Oumuamua has held the attention of experts around the world, the new celestial body has arrived. The space agency NASA has made a startling announcement. They have found an extraterrestrial object 30 times the size of Earth. A fittingly unique moniker. Goliath has left scientists scrambling to determine its origins and make sense of its peculiar buildup. The James Webb Space Telescope, which tirelessly searches the galaxy for signs of alien life, made the initial discovery of Goliath. In the telescope's pictures, Goliath appeared as a bright dot, suggesting it might reflect a great deal of light. NASA researchers were first perplexed by Goliath's extreme singularity. It was unlike anything they had seen previously in both size and composition. Careful investigation, however, has revealed Goliath to be either a massive planet or a brown dwarf star made mostly of gas and dust. The fact that Goliath has a stellar address is one of its most alluring features. It is located in a part of the galaxy rich in water and organic compounds, two potential prerequisites for the emergence of complex life. This has prompted intriguing speculation among some scientists who believe that Goliath may be home to life or at the very least provide crucial insights into the conditions necessary for the emergence of life. Deep questions about the beginnings of our solar system have been sparked by the discovery of Goliath. Perhaps Goliath was born in a different part of the galaxy and was eventually captured by the gravity of our Sun. This scenario casts doubt on the uniqueness of our solar system and suggests that there are likely countless other systems in the cosmos hiding comparable mysteries. The discovery of Goliath and Oumuamua exemplifies the cutting-edge capabilities of modern space exploration equipment. It demonstrates that there is no limit to the universe's ability to surprise us with new insights. We can only speculate on the many astounding discoveries that lie just beyond our current reach as we continue our search for indications of extraterrestrial life. As we wrap up our journey today, a big thank you for joining us at Spaceverse. Your support fuels our cosmic exploration. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep exploring with us. Until our next cosmic encounter, see you.